Good evening, everybody. Thanks for be there. And then this is the next video. I want to explain more about this. Hopefully you find it very interesting. So you know that if you have a 2 years investment horizon, your rate of return is 7.1117%. Okay. Probably you have a question. How much the return in the second year? Because this is the rate of return for 2 years. For 2 years. Okay. As you know that in the first year, your rate of return is 10%. The same if you use the discounted cash flow method, very easy. You invest 53. This is the present value of your cash outflows. Same with your present value of your cash inflows. 53, this is your second investment. And then, because you're standing here, you don't have to discount it back to T0. You just concern this period. Okay, you're standing here and you're looking at the future. Okay, so 53, and then your cash inflows is the same, $2 from your dividend plus 54, the market price of your stock. So if you put your discount rate only one, because you just focus one period, then your R is 566%. So the rate of return in the second period is 5.66%. The rate of return in the first period is 10%. And if you averaging that, you got 7.117%. This is what we call dollar weighted rate of return. What does it mean? You see, in the first year, you have 10% rate of return. You're happy, you have a big smile on your face. And then the second year, the rate of return going down. Almost half of that, 5.66%. You feel disappointed. And that's reflected in your rate of return. Because from the 7%, you're going down to 7.117. It's called dollar because in the second year, you have more stock. You put your more money into that stock. So when the market is down, what we call usually is the bad year with the lower return, it punishes you more. And that's why your dollar weighted rate of return going down from 10% to 7.117 because of the bad year that you have in the second year. Okay? This is what we call dollar weighted rate of return. But some people say, yeah, this makes sense because the more money that you put into the investment, if the market is going up, so you have a good year, your return is up, then you see you have more money at the end of the second year. But it's a bad year, then you have less money. This is more money and this is less money because the focus on the dollar. But probably you say, hey, I have no control on this dollar. Why? Because especially in the portfolio industry, for example the pension fund, the portfolio manager have no control over two things: the timing and the amount. They don't know, or they cannot really forecast or predict when the money will flow into the portfolio, in and out, and how much that. For example, in the pension fund, we have what we call pension fund contribution. This is your cash inflows, and then you have a pension fund benefit. This is when you pay to the benefit holders, the beneficiary. So this is out, and this is in. And as a pension fund manager, you have no control of this. So these facts make it very interesting. When you have 2 years investment horizon, this is 0, this is 2. This rate of return become a bit complicated, because during this period, the two things could happen. You can add your investment, or you can subtract or reduce your investment. These two things could happen, and this make our calculation of rate of return become more interesting. So people come up with another idea. It's called time-weighted rate of return. Okay, I say this concept is saying, all right, forget it. How much money you put there? How much stock that you have? How many numbers that you're holding? You just focus on each period rate of return, and then you just